Tandem Developer. Are you looking for an exciting opportunity in software development with a focus on Tandem and Oracle-based applications? People Prime Worldwide, India's largest IT staffing company, is looking for skilled Tandem developers. Key skills: Tandem, COBOL, PL/SQL, Oracle DB. Experience required: extensive experience in COBOL, Oracle PL, SQL, and Oracle development tools. Proficiency in designing and documenting software applications with minimal supervision. Experience in multi-tier software development and Oracle-based applications, preferably Oracle 10 grams and up. Experience in developing software applications in a multi-tier architecture. Exposure to Oracle EBS applications such as Inventory, WMS, TMS, OM, and PSpark is a plus. Job locations: Bangalore, Pune. Work experience: 3 to 8 years. Education qualification: any graduation. Work mode: hybrid. Employment type: full-time. CTC: 9 lakh Indian rupees to 19 lakhs yearly. Notice period: immediate 15 days. These positions are for our esteemed clients of People Prime Worldwide. Check out the description for more details and apply now. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest IT job opportunities with People Prime Jobs.